Okay. Hey everyone. I'm just here to talk about my skincare routine. How I cleared up my face because before this it used to be really bad. I used to have horrible breakout, but it after I start using this, it works perfect for me. It works fine for me. Hydrate my skin. I don't have well, I tend to have sometime dry skin and oily skin depending on the spot, but um it was really bad. My face was really bad. It's super nice right now where I feel confident without even having to put makeup on. It's nice. But here's I will give you guys a close-up of how my skin look like right now. So this is how my skin look like right now. As you can see, it's clear and nice. It's not even or skin tone or anything. It still has some spots here and there, but pretty much better than before. I will show you guys the picture before and right now. This is how my face looked like right now, and when I was in the beginning of the year, how it looked like. Everything I talk about, I'll post up the link below in the description. You guys can check it out. Maybe it might work for you, it might not, but before I start using it, when I have breakouts, it itches, it's red, and it's big and ugly and just horrible. Anyways, I decided to give the Korean cosmetic a try because pretty much try almost everything out there, from even drugstore, just cleansing my face from drugstore products to other brand that I'm not gonna name because I don't want to give them bad name review because it might work for them. Other people it might not. It's not working for me. So, anyways, let's get on with the skincare that I'm using. It's a Korean product, so it's the brand I'm using. It's three different brand, well, about four different brand that I'm using in my routine. And let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 to 9 product that I use at a time. The first one I'm going to talk about is the cleansing foam, which is by Benton Honest Cleansing Foam. It's for all skin type. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's for all skin type. Yep, it's for all skin type. I'm gonna read. Benton Honest line present honest ingredients that you can be reassured of. Formulated with palm oil, natural surfactants. Benton Honest cleansing foam, mildly cleanse fatigue skin caused by various stress and pollution. This face cleanser not only cleanses but further moisturizes, minimizing skin tightness. So I love this. So in the direction in the back says squeeze a suitable amount, add water and leather, massage onto face, and then rinse with lukewarm water. So I squeeze about like dime size in my palm of my hand, wet it, and then just kind of leather it, and then apply it all over my face, gently massage it. After that, I just rinse it with warm water, and then tap it dry with towel. Once that's done, I go into the toner. This one's by the same brand, Benton, and it's called Snail Bee High Content Skin. It's for all skin type. I'm not gonna read everything this, but pretty much I pump about 1 to 2 pump of this. I don't know if you guys can read that, but I use about 1 or 2 pump of this and apply it all over my face, gently tapping it in. That's how Korean people do it. They just kind of lightly dab it in all over their face, all over, you know, gently doing that. Once that was done, then I go into their I also put in Ampoule. So I use both of these, which is by CELLNCO, if that's how you pronounce it, but these are the two I use right after I use the toner. This one is for radiant whitening, so it's for radiant whitening. And then this is anti-wrinkle. So I squeeze about 1 pump of this, about 2 to 3 drop of this to palm of my hand and kind of blend it in together, and then gently just apply it all over my face, kind of just do the same routine, dab it in, you know, just gently dab it in. And then once that is done, I go into their Snail Bee High Content Essence, and it's by Benton as well. As you can see, it's almost empty here. It's probably about this much left, and I've been using it since February. It's for all skin type as well, because I have really sensitive skin. And it looked like right here, I'm going to read, is for all skin type, including sensitive and trouble skin, which that's me. I have sensitive and trouble skin. Instead of water, snail secretion filtrate is used. B venom, EGF, a bunch of hyaluronic acid, and various botanical extracts are further added to improve rough and damaged skin, which I had that before I start using this, but this is really, really good. I used this, just bought a pump of it, and then just dab it all over my face. If you want to use more, you go ahead and use another pump, but I usually use about 1 pump, and it works perfectly fine. The next step I do is the lotion one. Same brand, same line. It's just a lotion. I use about 2 pump of this all over my face. Same thing, you know, gently tap it. Here's the bottle. This one's a pretty much good amount. It's probably about that much left. You know, it's still a lot. So I highly recommend all of these. After the lotion, I use the steam cream. So this is what I use right after I squeeze about it, like a pea size amount, and then just gently massage it all over my face. And Korean people like to massage it up instead of downwards, so kind of put it on your face and massage it up, so that way you don't leave any wrinkles or anything like that. And then during the daytime, first thing in the morning after this cream, I will use the sunscreen that I got, which is from Sulwhasoo. It's for brightening UV protector. So, and this one is SPF 50 plus. I love it. This is give me a soft glow, you know. Right after I use the cream, I will use this in the morning. And then during the nighttime, same routine, and I will skip the sunscreen protector. I'll go into I will use the Snow Repair Eye Cream, and it's multiple function formula. So pretty much, if you don't want to just put it under your eye, you can do it. Yeah, it gets all over your face. But I usually just do it right around my eyes here. Just dab it in a little, you know, go all the way around my eyes. And this brand is Mizon. This is the bottle. It's jar. It's by Mizon. Yeah, pretty much that's what I do every morning, every night. Give it a try. It might work for some people. It might not work for everyone. Everybody have a different skin type, but I would recommend it. You know, try. It doesn't hurt to try. You know, most of Korean products are pretty much natural, and I can always say, I'm not gonna say that all for all product, but at least the one I'm using anyways. I'll link everything below where I got it from, and you guys can check it out. Let me know what you think.